Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a skull butterfly fusion. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm using black water activated face paint to outline the shape of the butterfly wing around my eye with a thin brush. I'm now adding vertical lines around my mouth to create the skeleton teeth. Now just outlining the eye shape more boldly. And adding the cheekbones. Now I'm hollowing in the cheekbones with a thicker brush and painting some more details around my neck and collarbones and also my nose. Taking the fine brush again to better define the nose. Blackening my eye area with a thicker brush. And then defining it into a crisper eyeliner shape with the fine brush. Keeping that brush and sketching in some thin detail lines around the eyes. Now to add some colour. Again using some water activated face paint. I'm starting with green on the inner eye. I'm then transitioning to blue and pink on the outer edge. Here I'm taking the purple to blend between the pink and the blue. And then packing more colour in areas that don't look bright enough, blending as I go. Here I'm adding some subtle highlights with diluted white. Now adding stronger white lines in between the black lines I created on the mouth. Okay, before I move on to the last step, I'm just going to tightline my eyes with eyeliner and add some mascara. Now I'm taking the black again to add the butterfly wing detail lines. Alright, I'm now going to do the most fun part, which is the glitter. I've just got these little glitters that I got off Amazon that sort of have this jelly consistency, so you can just like dab them on. I'm adding the same colour glitter to match each colour on the eye. I also dabbed some glitter onto my neck area, which in hindsight I'm not keen on. I think it looks bad on the black. If I were to do this again, I might try adding the glitter to the unpainted parts of the neck and collarbones. I think it would just pop better. Lastly, I'm adding some white iridescent glitter over the lips. I just made these little butterflies out of card with Sharpie and just added some of the paint and glitter to them and cut them out. And I'm just going to pin those into my hair to complete the look. Alright guys, this is my finished butterfly skull makeup look. I feel like this is a pretty easy, accessible makeup look to try, so please let me know if anyone has a go. I'd love to see pictures. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.